Okay, so we've already done some simple dimensional analysis problems, but sometimes you can't convert units using just one conversion factor. Sometimes there's multiple steps to get from point A to point B, so we're going to look at a couple of examples of that and how you would work those out. So you're going to throw a pizza party for 15 people when the pandemic is over. You estimate that each person might eat 4 slices. How much is the pizza going to cost you? You call the pizza place and learn that each pizza costs $14.78 and will be cut into 12 slices. You want to tell your parents how much to budget for the pizza. What amount do you tell them? First thing we have to figure out is, what do I want to know? Well, I want to know how much it's going to cost to feed 15 people. So total cost is what I might want. Total dollars in this case. Now, in math terms, I might want to remember that might mean dollars per party when I get all my units set up. Okay? So, big question is cost per party. The next thing we need to figure out is, what do I know? In other words, what kind of equalities do I know that can lead me to a conversion factor? As I look at the problem, I find out everything I need to know in blue here. I know that one pizza costs $14.78. I know that one pizza has 12 slices. I know that at my party I'm going to have 15 people, and that each person might eat 4 slices. Those are your equalities. Now from there, again, each equality can be made into one of 2 conversion factors. So if we look at these conversion factors, I'll put those in green here. Remember, I can get 2 from each one. I can either go one pizza is $14.78, or it costs $14.78 for one pizza. And I can do that for each one of these. Make 2 conversion factors for each one of those. Remember, I want to know the total cost for the party. I do not have a conversion factor that takes me from dollars directly to party. So I'm going to have to do this in multiple steps. Now, I need to remember, what is it I want to find out? I want to find out cost per party. I always say that step 1 is to start with something that you've been given. And there's a couple different ways that I could start with what's been given, but I'm going to start with the cost for one pizza and then try to turn that into cost per party. So I know, or I have been given, $14.78, and again, that's dollars. Dollars is my unit here. Per pizza. I got to set up my problem so that pizza eventually turns into party. What else do I know about the pizza besides the cost? Well, I know how many slices were in my pizza. That was 12. So I can go 12 slices per pizza. But if you see this, that does not cancel. They're both in the denominator. So I have to take that idea and say, all right, my 12 slices per pizza must be written as one pizza is going to be 12 slices. Then pizza cancels. But now I've got $14.78 for 12 slices. I still want to know how much is going to be my total party. Well, what else did I know about slices? I knew that each person would eat 4 slices. So 4 slices for one person. Slices now cancels. Well, what else did I know about the people? I knew there were going to be 15 people at my party. People cancel. I now have dollars per party. So, order of operations says that I have to do all my multiplication first. So I have to take 14, pardon me, this is not wanting to cooperate, 1478 times 1 times 4 times 15 I need to multiply everything on the bottom, so I've got 1 times 12 times 1 times 1, so I don't have to do any multiplying there. And then that should eventually give me my total of 73.90 for the party. So that is what we can tell our parents to budget.